Did you know Windows has a hidden security feature that tells you exactly if anyone tried to access your computer without you knowing? Here is how to turn it on right now. First, press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run box. Type exactly gpedit.msc and hit Enter. This will launch the local group policy editor. Now follow this path step by step. Expand Computer Configuration, then open Administrative Templates. Next, expand Windows Components and scroll down to find Windows Logon options. Inside here, look for a setting called Display Information about previous logons during user logon. Double-click to open it, select Enabled, then click Apply and OK to save changes. From now on, every time you sign into Windows, it will show you the exact date and time of your last successful login. It will also tell you if there were any failed attempts and exactly how many times someone tried to get in. This is a simple but powerful way to keep your PC secure and spot suspicious activity instantly. Follow Sharif Tech Zone for more hidden Windows features and security tricks most people never find.